I'm taking you to the property that we have available. It's half acre, located in the salt out area of Splendora, Texas. So it is Splendora School District. You will make a right on East Christine. You'll see the New Beginning Church, and you'll go down the road. So it's right here, great access from the highway. This land is located on a corner lot, which you'll see in just a little bit. We're just gonna go around the corner, and then you'll be able to see the property that we have available. We are offering where we can do all land improvements. If you prefer to do the land clearing or anything like that, you're more than welcome to, but just know we are a one-stop shop and we can do it all for you. So you're going to see the New Beginning, the church right here. And as soon as you turn the curve, right here on the left-hand side is the property. So it's right here, this whole corner here, and it's off of Lake Drive and East Christine Drive. And hey, who doesn't want to live right next to a church, right? So again, it's East Christine Drive and Lake Drive.